Stacey.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Will from Herman's Outdoors, and this week I'm out halibut fishing in Ninilchik, Alaska with A-Fish Hunt Charters. Now, I love halibut fishing, and I've really gotten into it the last couple years, and there's a couple different reasons why I love halibut fishing. First of all, halibut tastes amazing and is super delicious, especially baked over the charcoal grill fire, propane, Traeger, whatever it is. So halibut is just one of the yummiest fish to eat. Secondly, it is such a physical challenge to halibut fish for, say, half a day or even a full day. And when you've got a halibut and you've got a 5 pound weight on there and you're reeling it up hundreds and hundreds of feet, I love that challenge of trying to do that all day. And even when your forearms cramping, you're getting tired, like just keep pushing through and see if you can get that massive halibut. So that's the second reason why I love halibut fishing. And then the last reason is one of my personal goals is to try to catch a 100 pound halibut. And it's like a kind of a bucket list item for me. Now, I don't necessarily need to catch like a 300 or 400 pound halibut, but I want to catch an over a 100 pounder or more because I really want the challenge of trying to reel it in and say that I hit the triple digit mark on halibut. And so, when you're out halibut fishing, you need really, really big hooks like these because you got to get it in the lip and in the cheek nice and good in order to catch those big ones. So come check out the video and see if I get a 100 pound halibut today.
I'll take it. Oh, yeah. color. They got some color. They got some color. Okay, cone up. Butt's coming down. Wait.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video, my halibut fishing trip from this year. Now, I didn't catch a 100-pound halibut, but it's going to drive me more and more next year and in years beyond to try to catch that 100-pounder. So stay tuned as I continue my quest for that triple-digit halibut, and you guys will see the video right here. But until next time, the outdoors is a gift. Share it with others.